Good morning, Class 5-3. Mr. Waterman here with today's language arts lesson in Period 1. It is Friday, November 20th, 2020. I hope everyone is doing safe and well. Today, we're going to have our test on the verbs have, do, and be on pages 101 and 102. Please listen very carefully to the directions. The directions. Choose the correct word to complete each sentence. Now I want you to do two things. I want you to circle A, B, C, or D, and then I want you to write the word in the blank. Okay? So I'm going to put that here in the directions. Choose the correct word and write the word in the blank to complete each sentence. Number 1. This story are about a rooster who bakes. This story is about a rooster who bakes. This story have about a rooster who bakes. This story am about a rooster who bakes. Number 2. Rooster were tired of his regular food. Rooster was tired of his regular food. Rooster am tired of his regular food. Rooster have tired of his regular food. 3. He am a recipe for strawberry shortcake. He is a recipe for strawberry shortcake. He had a recipe for strawberry shortcake. He have a recipe for strawberry shortcake. 4. His friends has asked to help. His friends are asked to help. His friends is asked to help. His friends were asked to help. 5. They were no experience baking. They are no experience baking. They has no experience baking. They had no experience baking. 6. They am not know what to do in the kitchen. They did not know what to do in the kitchen. They had not know what to do in the kitchen. They have not know what to do in the kitchen. 7. The story is very entertaining. The story are very entertaining. The story be very entertaining. The story has very entertaining. Number 8. The animals was funny things on every page. The animals were funny things on every page. The animals do funny things on every page. The animals does funny things on every page. Now don't forget, you get a point for circling A, B, C, or D, and you get a point for writing the word in the blank. Let's move on to page 102. Remember that the verbs be, do, and have special forms. Let's look at the mechanics. Use a comma between the names of a city and a state. Use a comma between the day and year in a date. Here are the directions. As you read the paragraph, look for mistakes with the verbs be, do, and have. Rewrite the paragraph on the lines below. Correct any comma errors you find. Please listen as I read the paragraph. I have a great time last summer visiting my cousins in Chicago, Illinois. Every year, I does many fun things with my favorite cousin, Gina. She has art lessons every day and do nice drawings. I want to be as good as she are. My Aunt Joan and Uncle John has a garden. We spend a lot of time with them planting seeds. I always has to go home before the flowers bloom. I will see them again on June 30th, 2007. They is planning to come to our house. I really does like my cousins. They am so much fun. All right. Students, circle all of the mistakes. Please put in commas where the commas need to go. And please rewrite the paragraph here. Good luck. Well, students, that's all for this lesson in period 1. Please take your time taking this test. Please check your answers very carefully. Go back and review the points on the verbs be, do, and have, as well as commas if you need to, okay? Take your time. Also, next week when you come back to school, make sure to bring this grammar workbook with you. That way I can give you scores on your test. That way we can continue doing the activities. Please make sure you bring this with you. Bring all workbooks that you took home. If you took home your jalapeno bagels workbook, please bring that with you. Also, please bring in your final copies of your journal activities. One journal was about the presidential election. That was your final copy paper that I gave most of you. Please bring that. Please bring in your Thanksgiving essays that I had you write. What I am thankful for. Please bring those journals in so I can check them, okay? And then we can get working on the final copies. Take care, stay safe, be well, and I will see you in period 2. Bye-bye now.